In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar as a birthday reminder. It's a super handy feature if you're like me and struggle to keep track of all those special dates. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to head over to Google Calendar and sign in with your Google account. You can access Google Calendar by typing in calendargoogle.com in your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're logged in, you should see your calendar homepage with all your current events displayed. Now, to make sure you have your friends and family's birthdays synced up, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find My Calendars. Under this section, you want to find and check the box that's labeled Birthdays. Checking this box will display the birthdays of contacts from your Google Contacts list right on your calendar. This is such a helpful feature because once this box is checked, Google Calendar will automatically remind you of these birthdays. But what if a birthday is missing from your calendar? Well, that's an easy fix too. If you notice that someone's birthday is not popping up, the next step is to hop over to Google Contacts. You can do this by typing contacts.google.com into your browser. This will take you to your Google Contacts page. Here is where all your contacts will be listed and where you can make sure everyone's information is complete. If you see that someone is missing or you need to add someone new entirely, you'll notice a Create Contact button, usually represented by a plus icon, near the top left of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This allows you to input the details of your contact. Be sure to enter their name and, very importantly, scroll down to fill in the birthday field with the correct date. Once you've filled in their information, click the Save button, and voila, you've added someone new to your contacts. With those details saved, head back over to your Google Calendar. You should now see their birthday appearing on the correct date. Google Calendar will automatically set reminders to notify you in advance, ensuring you never miss a chance to celebrate those moments. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have birthdays synced effortlessly with your Google Calendar, and reminders will come to you at the perfect time. I hope you found this guide helpful, making it easier to keep up with all those special days for the people you care most about. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.